Did you know that in the United States, thousands of people are earning money online every single day? This isn't about shortcuts or unrealistic promises. It's about building real skills and applying proven side hustles that are available to anyone willing to take action. Welcome back to the Dollar Pilot. We break down real-world money strategies that actually work in the USA. In today's video, we are going to go step by step through how to make money online in the USA in a realistic and beginner-friendly way, even if you are starting from zero and only have a phone or a basic computer. First, you need to understand one simple truth. Making money online is not magic. It's a process of building a sustainable income stream by improving over time. The first step is choosing a legitimate online business model that fits the American market. The most beginner-friendly options fall into three main categories: freelancing, selling products, and content creation. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start because you are directly exchanging a skill for money. In the USA, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow people to offer services like remote work and writing, graphic design, or social media management. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need to build experience. The second method is online reselling. Many people in the USA have valuable items sitting unused. Listing them on a digital marketplace like eBay or Poshmark can create extra cash flow without any upfront investment. Whether it's electronics or clothing, reselling items for profit is a completely legal and widely used strategy to grow your bank account. The third method is content-based income, which includes platforms like YouTube, blogging, or short-form content creation. Although this method takes time to grow, it can become a passive income stream because it allows you to earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing once you build an audience. The key here is consistency, not perfection, because successful content creators in the USA often start simple before scaling up. The second step in making money online is building a routine. Without structure, most beginners quit early. For example, if you choose freelancing, you should spend at least 1 to 2 hours daily on client acquisition, improving your profile, and learning from feedback. If you choose content creation, focus on consistent uploading instead of chasing perfection. The third step is focusing on skill improvement. In the USA online market, your income directly depends on how valuable your skill is. Even high-demand skills like writing simple articles, video editing, or graphic design can grow into higher-paying services if you practice regularly. The fourth step is setting realistic expectations. Many beginners fail when they expect to earn hundreds of dollars within days. In reality, most people start with a small side income, maybe $20 or $50 a week, and gradually build up as they gain experience and trust. The fifth step is choosing trusted platforms and avoiding scams. While there are many legitimate online opportunities in the USA, there are also misleading offers. A good rule is simple. If something guarantees high income with no skill or effort, it is usually not real. The sixth step is time management. Online income gives you flexibility, but it also requires discipline. Setting a fixed time daily for your remote side hustle can make a huge difference. Finally, the seventh step is tracking your progress. If you do not measure what you are doing, you cannot improve. Simple performance tracking, like noting how many applications you sent or how much you earned per week, helps you understand exactly what is working for you. The eighth step is reinvesting your earnings. This means instead of spending everything, you use part of your income to upgrade your tools or learn new skills, which significantly increases your long-term earning potential. The ninth step is staying consistent even when results are slow. Online income in the USA is not about speed. It is about building momentum. Most people quit right before they start seeing real progress. The 10th and final step is long-term financial planning. The real goal is not just to make quick cash, but to build a stable digital income that supports your goals, reduces stress, and gives you more freedom. For example, you might start with freelancing, then expand into a personal brand, and eventually create multiple income streams. The most important mindset shift you need is understanding that anyone in the USA can succeed, but only those who stay consistent and avoid distractions actually do. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need action and patience. So, if you are serious about financial independence through the internet, start today with one simple method. Commit to it for the next 30 days and track your progress. Real wealth building comes from daily effort, not overnight success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow the Dollar Pilot for more real practical money strategies that actually work in the USA.